Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth system in this Peugeot. First of all, we'll go into General and Settings, make sure Bluetooth's on, which it is there. Then you've got Setup and Phone. Phone's the top right hand one. Click Phone. Rotate down to Bluetooth Functions. Click OK. List of paired peripherals search. Now we want peripherals search. And then we'll switch that back on. So that's showing Peugeot there already, but we'll wait for it to come up on there. Hopefully, depending on when you're watching this video, there's just been a recent iTunes update, an iOS Apple system, and some of the phones, the systems for searching seem to have gone haywire, as this one does at the moment, but you can get around it. So anyway, it's still searching. There, it's come up with my phone. So I select that. It's got Peugeot there and Barry's iPhone there. So we've got them both. So we can do it from either, but do it from the car. Connect. So as soon as you click select there, it goes to connect. We want connect. And then you've got all, which is hands-free mode and audio. So click OK. Barry's iPhone 10 connecting. Now then, it's asking you for a pin. They're into normal pins, so I'll just put one in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. Now it's asking me to do the same here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn the rotary control to OK. Gordon Bennett. It's flipping sensitive, this. OK. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone 10 peripheral connected, and it's also connected there as well. It's showing as connected. Phone contacts have been synchronized. That's it all done.